A lot has happened with Shiba Inu recently, and the cryptocurrency market seems to be on the mend. The token's value may rise significantly as a result of this. Pay close attention if you have any Shiba Inu investments or SHI tokens. In today's video, we'll explore the most recent news regarding Shiba Inu currency and assess its potential impact on the token's value. Please stay till the very end of the movie to get all the important details, as I have done extensive study for it. We will also be switching SHIB news to a different channel shortly. In order to subscribe and enable notifications, please go to the video's link description and pinned comment. First though, let's take a brief look at the charts to observe the current performance of the Shiba price as of May 4th. The price of Shiba Inu has risen 10% in the past 24 hours with a trading volume of $77 million and is currently trading at about 2,596 units, with a market valuation of more than $15.3 billion. Hence ranking it as the 12th most worth cryptocurrency. This is not financial advice, and the numbers may have changed by the time you view the video. In order to be notified of future giveaways, be sure to follow us on Twitter. The current bullish craze about Shiba Inu should be investigated now. The value of Shiba Inu has recovered all losses from earlier in the week and posted a positive 7-day performance with a recent spike beyond 2,500 units. As a result of increased selling pressure from Bitcoin bears, Shiba Inu nearly fell below the 2,000-unit barrier, undergoing a substantial collapse. But from Wednesday's low of 271 units, Shiba Inu has recovered spectacularly, gaining an astounding 20.76% and now trading at 251 units. Specifically, 5 important reasons contributed to today's increase in Shiba Inu performance earlier in the week. Following May 1st market-wide decline, which lowered investor optimism, an opportunity presented itself and Bitcoin whales took advantage of it. In a single day, whales bought 47,500 tokens at an average price of $59,000, injecting $0.8 billion into the market. This was done especially to purchase the Bitcoin dip. As a result of this buying frenzy, Bitcoin's price shot up to $64,000, lifting the gloomy market mood. Therefore, alternative cryptocurrencies, particularly tokens with a memory theme like Shiba Inu, led the market in rising prices during Bitcoin's recovery, seeing gains in the double digits while the value of Bitcoin only rose by 5%. Also adding to Shiba's success this week was a major announcement from the Shiba Inu development team. The much-touted hard fork on the Shiba Inu blockchain Shibarium was really successful. With this major upgrade, the community now has lightning-fast transactions and gas prices are predictable. In addition, since Binance Japan listed the Shiba Inu SHIB, its value on the global market increased. Meet yen pair. Cryptocurrency fans in Japan may now buy and sell Shiba using their native currency thanks to this listing. The listing clearly had an effect, as the value of Shiba Inu on the exchange increased by more than 3,000% in the days after the listing. Several other exchanges, including Kin, have also added Shiba margin trading pairs to their platforms this week. Additionally, millions of us people were able to buy Shiba Inu using PayPal this week. The partnership between MoonPay, a cryptocurrency payment processor, and PayPal made it possible to purchase Shiba Inu using PayPal this week, according to Crypto Basic. The asset's continuing upswing is thought to have been bolstered by these noteworthy occurrences which emerged following Shiba Inu's recent drop. It would mean a lot if you could go ahead and hit the like button if you're still watching. You can support the channel without spending a dime. If you want to know what's happening with Shiba Inu and where the currency could go from here, you'll have to see the show. Shibarium has finished its hard fork. As I said in yesterday's video, the hard fork that Shibarium brings to Shiba Inu is this: the Shiba Inu has implemented a blockchain-based system. A successful hard fork was performed on Shibarium not long ago. There have been user complaints about the network's usability and transaction efficiency, and this major update is an attempt to fix those issues. By permanently altering a blockchain network, a hard fork creates a new chain that coexists with the original. Using this method, major modifications can be made even when they are incompatible with the current infrastructure. In order to gain access to more advanced features in the Shibarium ecosystem, the Shiba Inu development team started the hard fork. This update will fulfill customer needs for speed, affordability, and security by streamlining user interaction and introducing numerous major changes. The needs of Shiba Inu owners and breeders are the driving force behind the hard fork. The need for a faster, more intuitive network has been voiced by users time and time again. To address these issues, the improvements were made with the goal of achieving faster transaction speeds. The Shibarium network will now be able to execute transactions much more quickly thanks to the hard fork. By making things more predictable and cutting down on wait times, this update will make things run more smoothly and improve the user experience overall. While gas fees on blockchain networks can be very unpredictable, The goal of the Shibarium hard fork is to implement a solution that makes them more predictable. Because of this, spending on Shibarium will be less expensive and easier to plan for. One of the most important things about cryptocurrencies is their security. The Shibarium hard fork includes updates to make the network more secure and to protect user assets. The Shiba Inu team values user input and believes that community involvement is key to continuous improvement. To guarantee a seamless transition and resolve any possible concerns, they vigorously solicit user feedback and involve them in the development process. There has been a lot of buzz around the hard fork, causing a small spike in the token's value. Because of this, investors are sure that Shiba Inu will be successful after the hard fork. Hard fork is an important step in building Shibarium into a strong and user-centric solution for Shiba Inu ecosystem, but how it will affect token value in the long run is unclear. On top of that, a well-known analyst recently forecasted a massive 294% increase for Shiba Inu. This prospective expansion may be aided by recent positive events such as the hard fork. Lucy, a member of the Shiba Inu crew, recently broke down the issue of the most recent burns and shared her thoughts with the community. Token creator Roshi recently took a giant leap forward by destroying all of the Shiba Inu tokens in circulation. After Roshi made this decision, Lucy explained it to him in a post-explanation. According to her, Roshi's move marks a change in policy that mandates the purchase of any item before burning it. The Shiba community is crucial in cases of these kind of burns, as pointed out by team member Lucy. Regardless of the size of the transaction or the number of tokens burned, the current market attitude towards the asset is frequently reflected in these burns. A 4% increase today suggests a possible turnaround, even if Shiba Inu has been trending downward for the last month. There has been an uptick in trading activity, which bodes poorly for the future of burn prevention. But, as the Shiba team member stated, in order for these burns to happen, users must earn money to power the process. Now let's get to the meat of today's video. Market analysts are projecting a significant 120% jump in Shiba Inu prices due to a strong bullish wave. The market has turned bullish after a 10.94% increase just 1 month. Following April's devastating loss, the worst monthly drop since May 2022 caused by the Terra ecosystem's demise, investors are hopeful about a rebound. On the hourly chart, technical analysis shows that Shiba Inu is presently consolidating inside a bullish flag formation. Following a decline from March 5th's annual high of 4,679 units, this trend began to take shape. It was after this drop that Shiba Inu started a bearish consolidation phase, which was marked by lower highs and lows that formed a downward channel and intermittent drops. The world of charts has identified a trend that highlights a significant change in the pricing of Shiba Inu. Their research indicates that the falling channel is a bullish indicator, normally viewed as a trend of consolidation after a large price increase. According to this pattern, the rally may be taking a little break before picking up steam again. This study suggests that a breakout is imminent. Shiba is expected to increase by 120% from its present price once it breaks above the downward channel. Investors may anticipate a continuing push towards former highs, with a target of regaining 5,434 units. The present trend of Shiba Inu suggests that this breakout is likely to occur, particularly